everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you again so much for joining and following along on these kind of everyday design tips that we're hashing out here. They're really just everyday thoughts that we've all definitely thought about or put into action in some capacity, and I just thought it'd be fun to rehash them in a relatable way. So as I am actually dressed up with somewhere to go, I've got dinner plans, so exciting, in my very stereotypical black outfit, but it does come off the shoulder, so it is a little bit more fun and spicy for tonight. But in any case, I am in our teeny tiny closet, and I wanted to talk about, instead of a way to organize tiny closets, because I think everybody has seen those and everybody has access to information on how to do that, I thought the one thing for me, if it was kind of like you're on a deserted island, what's the one thing that you must have with you in order to make your closet feel magically perfect and spectacular and more luxurious? For me, without a doubt, it is wood hangers. If you have the teeniest, tiniest closet that is suffering from any kind of organization, yes, go out and get yourself some beautiful stacked cubby systems, get yourself some hanging racks, preferably in a fabric. They have cool printed fabric these days, and like herringbone, things that feel and look a little bit more high-end. You absolutely want those to store all your t-shirts and shoes and all that good stuff, but do or die, no matter what, we need wood hangers. It makes all of your clothes look just more special when you walk inside of your closet. You feel like things are organized simply because everything is a one consistent material that you've got going on with regard to the hangers. And also when you line up all of your clothes, I try not super duper hard going by color, but I definitely go by height. So I have some of my long maxi dresses are all here at the end, my longer clothes, and they gradually go shorter as the row keeps going down the closet. But without a doubt, no ifs, ands, or buts about it, wood hangers. I went so far, you guys, as when we moved here from the East Coast, in the suitcases, I packed every single one of these hangers from our other closet. Our closet back east had a custom closet system, you know, that I designed and put it all together, and it's the best money you can ever spend for sure in a home that you own. I really do believe that. And I had all of these wood hangers just like I do right now, but I had to bring them with me. I was like, I'm not paying all over again for more wood hangers when I have them, so I'm packing them and I'm making it work, and I'm praying that they don't break in the move. And they didn't. We checked all the bags and they made it a-okay. So there's my tip for you for today. Go out, get yourself some consistent looking hangers. I don't care if they're all even the velvety kind, as long as they're all the same. The idea is that they're all the same, and preferably not plastic. Elevate your game just a tad bit and see how that makes you feel with your just everyday organization inside of your closet. I promise it's gonna make a difference. So that's it for today. Please join me again next time. If you like this quick tip, give her a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe. I would love to continue to have you guys ride along this journey with me. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.